let us find the integral for the 18th question from the exercise 7.2. So we have to find the integral of e to the power tan inverse x divided by 1 plus x square with respect to x. So this question can also be written as e to the power tan inverse x into 1 divided by 1 plus x square with respect to x. So if you multiply these two terms, you will get back the previous term. Okay. Now, to find the integral by substitution method, we have to transform all x in the form of t. That is tan inverse x, this 1 by 1 plus x square dx, everything must be written in the form of t. Now, which one to select as t? Whether tan inverse x or 1 by 1 plus x square or just 1 plus x square. For that, we have to check the relationship between the functions. So between tan inverse x and 1 by 1 plus x square, there is a relationship. That is, if we differentiate tan inverse x, we will get 1 by 1 plus x square. So which function you differentiated? This function, tan inverse x, right? So you have to equate this as t. Okay. Let tan inverse x equal to t. Now we will differentiate with respect to x. So if you differentiate with respect to x, the derivative of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square, and if you differentiate t, we will get dt by dx. Now this implies, so we have to do the replacement, right? So 1 by 1 plus x square dx. So this complete thing needs to be written in the form of t. So if we cross multiply this, we will get 1 by 1 plus x square dx. So now this entire thing is here and this can be replaced by dt. Now let us substitute e to the power. In the place of tan inverse x, we will write t, and in the place of 1 by 1 plus x square dx, we will write dt. So now this implies integral of e to the power t with respect to t. So from the formula, we know integral of e power x dx is e power x plus c, right? So this will be e power t plus constant of integration c. Again, in the place of t, we will write tan inverse x plus c. So this is the required integral. So therefore, integral of e to the power tan inverse x divided by 1 plus x square dx is equal to e to the power tan inverse x plus constant of integration.